Hello guys, am I audible? Am I visible? Am I audible? Am I visible, guys? Hello. Quickly tell me in the chat box. Am I audible? Am I visible? Just a second. So I think you all are ready. Guys, we can start. So we are starting chemistry. Okay, yeah. I think it's perfect. Now you can see this question also. So yes, I think it's visible allada. So I think it's visible da. So yes. Hello guys. Hello. Yes. So now we are going to discuss our chemistry. We are going to analyze the chemistry question paper. So before that, tell me, how was the exam, guys? So tell me, how was the exam? Is it easy? Is it moderate? So tell me about chemistry question paper. Tell me about chemistry question paper. Is it easy, moderate, difficult, or tell me? Yes. Yes. Hello. Yeah, guys. So tell me, how was your chemistry paper? Is it easy, difficult, or moderate, ma'am? So actually, when you're comparing to 2024, actually it is like it is difficult. Okay, when you compared to 2024. Okay, 2024. So if you compare. If you compare with the 2024, yes, it is difficult, okay. But when you compare with the 2025, it is very easy, okay. It's very easy. So we know that in 2026, you can see, actually this 2026, what I am writing, 2 not 5. 2026 question, chemistry question paper is actually like previous year question based question. Previous year question, you can see it's related question, okay. You can see lots of PYQs, okay. PYQ related question, okay, not completely exact PYQ. You can see exact PYQ also, but most of the question is actually related, okay. So I know you all are waiting for chemistry solutions. So I will give you. So here is our first question. So you can see in chemistry paper, you can see lots of match the following type of question, okay. Lots of match the following type of questions are there. So you can easily, yeah, if actually when you consider match the following means it's a lottery, okay. It's a lottery question. You can match easily, okay. So it's a lottery type of questions. And chemistry, like we have like I think more than 5 questions, okay. More than 5 questions is based on like match the following type only, okay. So I think we can start. Before starting the session, everyone quickly smash the like button. Everyone quickly smash the like button. So I think it is visible. Tell me guys, I think it is visible. I think the board and the question is visible. So let me check it out. Yes, Tanjiro, guys. Guys. Okay, we can start. Okay, we can start. So here you can see match the following type of question. So here list 1 and list 2 is here. Okay, list 1 and list 2 is here. Here you can see from cumin we are preparing. Okay, from cumin we are preparing phenol. So what reagent is necessary for this, Siddha? What reagent is necessary for this? It is very easy. We need oxygen, okay. We need oxygen in presence of acidic medium, okay. So yes, the correct answer is A. A is 2 allada. Yes, it is A2, okay. A2. Then B, you can see it's a acid, okay. Acid is converting to alcohol, okay. Acid is converting to alcohol, okay. So acid is converting to alcohol. So here you can see what we need, oleum, not oleum, and H2O, and yeah, Yeah, so here it is ethanoic acid. Okay, ethanoic acid is converting to ethanol. So here we need alcohol. Which alcohol? Methanol we are using. Okay, methanol we are using to convert ethanoic acid to ethanol. So correct answer is in presence of acid, hydrogen catalyst. Okay, hydrogen catalyst we are here using. And next is, so we can match. Okay, we can try. A is 2, A is 2, A is 2. We can eliminate 1, 2. So, no, we can eliminate 1. We can eliminate 1. Then B is actually 3. B is actually 3. B is actually 3. So we can eliminate 2. Yes. And what is C? So when you consider C, yes, it's a alcohol. Okay, it's a alcohol, metheth propanol. Okay, so it is a propanol. So here you can see branched propanol. Okay, it is actually it's propanol. It's propanol, and here you can see 2 propanol. Okay, 2 propanol. Okay, so here you can see 2 propanol. Can you please block Tanjiro? Please block some scammers are here. Okay, they are spamming. So please block them. Okay. Yeah, guys. So here you can see, yeah. So alcohol. So alcohol, you can see it's a branched alcohol. What do we need for branched alcohol means? So it is, we need the concentrated, okay, concentrated H2SO4. So the correct answer C4. C4. Yeah. The correct answer is 4. Okay, the correct answer is 4. Is it clear? So this is question number 46. The correct answer is 4. Then we can move to next question. The major product Z formed in the following sequence of reaction. Okay. So here you can see ethane. Okay, ethane is reacting with the chlorine. So, and here you can see there is a X. Okay, X product is forming. So here you can see that monochlorinated product. It is a monochlorinated product. Okay, it is a monochlorinated product. So we can easily identify. So only one hydrogen replaced with the chlorine. Okay, one hydrogen replaced with the chlorine. So this is the product. So rest of the thing is actually H. Okay, so you will get the product. Then it's reacting with NH3. You will get Y, and this Y is again. I think it's audible. I think it's audible. Okay, then here you can see it's reacting with NaNO3, NO2 and HCl, H2O. It's actually two-step reaction. So what you will get? What you will get, Tada? What you will get? So tell me what you will get. What you will get? It's very simple. You will get alcohol. Okay, you will get alcohol. So we can move to next question. So here is the question. Yes, it's actually salt analysis based question. Okay, it's salt analysis based question, and here actually you can see two different type of topic we are combining here. Okay, two different type of topic we are combining here. So what will happen? So here you can see in quantitative analysis of Bi3 plus is detected by appearance of precipitate. Okay, here it is precipitating. Okay, here we can use like solubility. Okay, solubility thing pH, pOH. Then we can calculate last answer. Okay, first you should solubility, pH, pOH you should calculate. So what will be the correct answer? What will be the correct answer? What will be the correct answer? Here correct answer is 9.2. 301. Okay, same equation. Okay, normally we will use a so concentration which a same equation we can use. So here is next question. Okay, so here we know that 1 dm cube of CO2 gas is passed over hot cock. The volume of gaseous mixture after completing reaction at STP becomes 1.4 dm cube. The composition of the gaseous mixture is at STP. Okay, STP la irukumbodhu, so STP la, so gaseous mixture, so we should know the combustion. Okay, combustion, so the combustion of gaseous mixture is given at STP. You should find, okay, you should find that. So what will be the correct answer? Normally we can calculate directly, it's solution based question. Okay, so what will be the correct answer? 49 la, so correct answer you will get yes, 0.8 dm cube of CO, carbon monoxide, and you will get carbon dioxide at 0.6 dm cube. Okay, then we are moving to next question. So this is a very easy question. So here you can see it is also match the following type of question. Okay, so what will be the correct answer? What will be the correct answer? Here you can see N value and L value is there. So here you can see the shell, okay, or orbits. Okay, shell or orbits you can see here. I think it's visible allada. Is it visible? So tell me what will be the correct answer. Tell me what will be the correct answer. It's a very easy question. So you can write, okay, you can write this answer if you are blindfold also. Okay, if you do blindfold also, you can do this answer because it's very easy question. So it's a very easy question. So tell me what will be the correct answer, Ada? No answers? Yeah, correct answer is actually A2. Okay, A2. So A. So A is the correct answer. A2. Yes, A2. So we know that here L value is given, N value is given. So you can match. So we know some L values. So if S is equal to, if S means L value is 0, SP means L value is 1, D means L value is 2, and F means L value is 3. And next question. Here you can see the number of chlorine atom present in the organic product X and Y. The following reaction respectively are. Okay, here you can see first one. Okay, benzene is reacting with chlorine in presence of, hello, caught. Yes. So benzene is reacting with chlorine in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride and dark and cold condition. So guys, we know that, okay, it's a electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, it is a electrophilic substitution reaction. So what will happen? It will break. So all 6 carbon, okay, you can see 6 chlorine will form here. Okay, 6 chlorine. And here we know that it is a UV light and chlorine, and here 500 degrees Celsius. It is a free radical reaction. So what will be the reaction product? So you can see 6 chlorine will attach to this benzene ring, and here also 6 chlorine will attach with this benzene ring. So what will be the correct answer? Correct answer is actually option 2. Then we are moving to next question. Correct. Okay. Then we are moving to next question. So what is the question? It is also very important. They are asking about byproduct. Okay, they are asking the byproduct. So this is the products, and this X is actually here the byproduct. And so what is the product? So when alcohol, okay, here you can see method to okay, propanol is reacting with the PCl5. Okay, propanol is reacting with the PCl5. So what will be the correct answer, Ada? What will be the correct answer? We know that we will get POCl3. Okay, we will get POCl3. Okay, we will get POCl3. We will get POCl3. Yes, POCl3 we will get. So we can delete this and this. So next, this CH3, CH2Cl is reacting with KOH. So it will replace O, and again it's reacting with the Br. So it will replace, Br will replace that. So what is the correct answer? Yes, correct answer will be 1. Okay, correct answer will be 1. Okay, 52. The correct answer will be 1. No, no, no. PCl3 and here only the Br attached. 4 is the correct answer. Okay. So this is the student marked the wrong answer. So actually 4. Okay. Br will attach this carbon. Okay. Yes. Br will attach this carbon. So it is a wrong answer. Okay. It is a wrong answer. This one is a wrong answer. So correct answer is a option 4. Okay. Option 4 is the correct answer. Then another match the following. So I think it is the third match the following. Okay. So yes, match list A with B. Okay, so here you can see it is actually everything is actually a what catalyst. Okay, we know that normally D block elements we will use as a catalyst. D block elements and its compound we will use as a catalyst. So here the catalyst where we are preparing, where we are using this catalyst. Okay, in which reaction we are using this catalyst. So it's given, so we can check transition metal vanadium pentoxide. Vanadium pentoxide we used to prepare I think H2SO4. Preparation of H2SO4, yes. So A3 and we will use preparation of ammonia. So B1, A2, A3B1. A3B1, yeah, correct answer is 4 only. A3B1, no, we can confirm the answer. So while checking 2 options only, 2 like match the following only, we can confirm the answer. Okay, so we can save the time also here. Then we are moving to next question, that is 54th question. Okay, 54th question. So let me check. So identify the correct statement about ClF3. Okay, ClF3. So from the following, yes. So ClF3 central atom is actually chlorine. So chlorine contain how many bond pair? Bond pair I am writing, bond pair is 3. And lone pair you can write, it is yes, it is actually 4. Okay, it is actually 4. And okay, so we know that there is actually 4 unbonded electrons. So when you pair it, so you can see lone pair is 5. So here lone pair is 5, lone pair is 2 and bond pair is 3, means the shape is actually T shape. Okay, shape is actually geometry is actually T, and lone pair is actually 2. Lone pair is actually 2. Yes, correct answer will be option 2. Yes. Then we are moving to next question. 55 question number 55. Okay, so calculate the EMF. You can directly calculate the EMF. So but here the concentration, it's a concentration cell. Okay, so here you can see hydrogen they given as partial pressure, and here H plus order we will get concentration. Okay, H plus concentration is given here, and when you consider hydrogen, it is partial pressure. Okay, it is partial pressure. So, and they already given E naught value is 0. Okay, E naught value is given, E naught value is 0. Then what will be the correct answer? You can directly apply the question. You can directly apply the what? Points. So, you will get the answer actually 0.019. 0.019. So you will get confused, okay, because of the like sign. Okay, sign 0. Minus 0.101 is also there. The correct answer is actually minus 0.109. Okay, minus 0.109 is the correct answer. So I think we can move to next question, another match the following type of question. I think it is the 4th match the following question. Okay, so match the following, yes. Oh, it is very easy question. So, and they are given first order, 0 order, first order, second order, third order reaction, and they given the units also. Okay, they are given the units also, units of that particular reactions also. So here I think it's visible at yes, 56. So unit it's given, so you can just match that. Okay, so now tell me what will be the correct answer. What will be the correct answer? Correct answer, yes, correct answer, it's very simple. Correct answer is 3 only. Okay, correct answer is 3. Then we are moving to next question. Yes, spin only. Yeah, there is a equation for spin only magnet moment, that is equal to root of mu is equal to root of n into n plus 1. What is n means? N means unpaired electron. Here it is written, it's very easy. 3D2. Okay, 3D2 it's given. So we know that what will be the correct answer. We know there is a by heart table you should study. Okay, you should by heart that table. So what will be the correct answer? Or what will be the correct answer? The correct answer will be 2.84. So if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, so next two product X and Y are formed in the following reaction sequence. Okay, you can see this. So yes, so here benzene is reacting with CH3Cl. Okay, benzene is reacting with the CH3Cl, and what will be the correct answer? What will be the, you are getting, and in presence of aluminum hydride and aluminum chloride, and you will get W. Okay, so again this W is what is actually W? W is actually aniline. Okay, aniline is treating with what I'm saying. So toluene. Okay, CH3. So CH3 you will get, that is W. This is W. So I will write W, and this W is reacting with again in what, HNO3, and yeah, it's very simple. The product will be, you can see two product. Okay, ortho para directing. It's ortho para directing. You can see in ortho and para sides it's CH3, and ortho side la you can see NO2, and para side la also you can see NO2. Para side la also you can see NO2. Okay, so how we will separate this this two compound? Very simple, by fractional distillation. Okay, by fractional distillation. Then we can move to next question. So here is the next question, 59. Bulb is rated. Okay, so here you can see 59 is also a problem, numerical based question. 59 is also a numerical based question. So what will be the correct answer? Correct answer will be 2.71 into 10 raised to 19. Okay, then we can move to next question. Yes, so it is in test tube containing, yes, it's a salt analysis based. Okay, practical question. Okay, it's a practical based question. So 60, question number 60, what will be the correct answer? 60, what is the correct one? Containing few drops of dilute H2SO4 was added, which gave colorless vapor having small smell of vinegar. Okay, the vapor turned blue litmus paper to red. Identify the correct anion. Okay, so you should find the correct anion. Okay, so you should find the correct anion. What will be the correct answer? What will be the correct answer? It is actually acetate. Okay, it is actually acetate. Okay, so it is actually acetate. Then next question is here. Select the reagent reduces nitrile to primary amine. Okay, so nitrile to primary amine, which catalyst we can use? Okay, which reagent we can use to convert nitrile to primary amine? So tell me which reagent we can use to nitrile to primary amine. So tell me quickly. So tell me it's very simple. The students also mark correct answer. Actually, lithium aluminum hydride, and second there is two-step reaction, lithium aluminum hydride and water, and second one is hydrogen, and that is hydrogenation. Okay, hydrogenation method. And next one is D. Okay, sodium amalgam. Yes, sodium amalgam, and what, alcohol. Okay, in presence of alcohol. Then next we are moving to next question. Yes. So identify the incorrect statement from the following. So which one is incorrect statement? Carbon has yes, carbon has ability to form p-pi multiple bonds. Yes, correct. And ECl3. Okay, ECl3, and ECl3, where is it? ECl3. E is B and aluminium is monomer. Yes, when E is B, it's dimer. When E is okay, yes, correct only. Oxygen exhibit only minus two. No, oxygen, when you consider superoxide we know that it is actually minus half. Okay, so it's wrong statement. No, it is actually, this is the wrong statement. So correct answer is option 3 only. Okay, options 3 is the correct answer. So tell me, what is the next answer? So all through +3 oxidation state is most common in lanthanoid. Yes, cerium still show +4 oxidation state because its nearest inert gas is not because of that, not because of that. After losing one more electron in aqueous 4f14 electron configuration, no, its atomic number is 61. No, not because of that. So after losing one more electron, it yes, 4f0. Yes, if it is lose one more electron, so it can reach 4f0. Okay, so it is more stable. So this is the reason. Okay, this is the reason it is more stable. This is the reason. If 4f0 means it is more stable. Okay, so that is the reason. Okay, then we are moving to next question. Okay, so during Lassen's test, the element present in an organic compound convert from option A, covalent form to covalent form to covalent form. Yes, ionic form to, yes, okay, ionic form to ionic form. Yes, covalent form to ionic form to covalent form. So what will be the correct answer? So tell me, what will be the correct answer? So tell me now, what is the correct answer? Yes, it is actually, it will form when you use Lassen's reagent. So it will form covalent form to ionic form. Okay, Lassen's test, we know that we will, here we can see it will form covalent to ionic bond. Okay, then we are moving to next question. The number of hydrogen present in 5.4 gram of urea is given molar mass. Okay, given molar mass, urea, the molar mass is given. So at we know that Na. So what is the correct answer? Mole concept. Okay, mole concept, correct question. Okay, mole concept is very important. So you guys are saying yes, I can see CC. Okay, you guys are saying CC. Is it really C? Is it really C? Given mass by molar mass, it's very simple. Okay, given mass by molar mass, you will get moles. Then you can calculate number of particles. Okay, you can calculate number of particles. Okay, so what will be the correct answer? What will be the correct answer? The correct answer is actually 2.168. 168 is the correct answer. Then we are moving to next question. So the next question is here. The pair of molecules that are metamers among the following. Metamers. Okay, metamers. Metamers. OH. No, this is not metamers. Oh, different. It should contain. Yeah, same group with the different. Yeah, metamers means when you consider two branches, it should have, when you consider that functional group, it should have different branches. Okay, different branches, and that branches should be different. CH2, 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 CH3, CH2, CH2. Yes, this is a metamer. This is a metamer. Yes. Then next question. Identify the incorrect statement from the following. C2H5 all thrice as and AsC6H5 all thrice, and it is d pi bond for transition metals. Correct. Nitrogen can form d pi p pi. No, it's not, it is not possible. Nitrogen does not contain any d orbitals, so it is not possible. Then we can move to next question. So 68th question. So tell me, what will be the answer of this question? So phenolphthalein is used as an indicator for a, yes, it is also from practical chemistry question. Okay, for the transition of sodium hydroxide solution against the standard oxidation oxalic acid, the color change that observed in alkali pH close to equivalence point, that is our end point during the titration is. Okay, so tell me what is the correct answer, Ada? What is the correct answer? It is colorless to pink color, Ada. It is colorless to pink color. So not pinkish red. Okay, colorless. I think you did in your practical exam. Very good, Pradeep. You are right. Okay, 3 is the correct answer. Very good. 3 is the correct answer. Yes. Then we are moving to another match the following type of question. Okay, it is another match the following type of question. Here you can see. So list 1, list 2. So it's very simple question. How many sigma and how many pi bonds? So how many sigma and how many pi bonds are there? And within 10 seconds you can confirm. Okay, within 10 seconds you can confirm. So it is C, okay, H4. So it is double bond. Okay, double bond. How many sigma and how many pi bond is there, Ada? So I am writing sigma bond is actually sigma 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pi is actually 1. So correct answer is option 1 is the correct answer. Okay, Ada clear alle? I hope it's clear. So at a certain temperature, you can see this question at a certain temperature. So T Kelvin, okay, so T Kelvin during the process of 500 joule absorbed by the system and work is 200 joule is done by a system, then change in internal. Yes, this question is from thermodynamics. Okay, thermodynamics sort of question is this. And what will be the correct answer? It's a very direct question. You can apply to direct equation. So what will be the correct answer, Ada? Correct answer is actually 300 joule. Then we are moving to next question. So it's also methane react with the steam. Okay, methane is reacting with steam at 2273 Kelvin in the presence of nickel catalyst to form. Okay, what will be the correct answer, Ada? It's very easy question, direct question from organic. You can see normally in Neet, so they will give difficult question from organic. Okay, they will give you difficult question from organic, but here in this year it is very easy. Okay, it's very easy. So what will be the correct answer, Ada? What will be the correct answer? It is carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Okay, carbon monoxide and hydrogen is the correct answer. Then next question. So what is the correct answer for this question? I will give you few minutes, few seconds for this question, not minutes. I will give you few seconds for this question. So you can write your answer. Okay, what you write. Okay, what you wrote in your exam. Okay, you can write. Option A, option first one is correct. Okay. For this question, 72. Red orange precipitate does not reduce swelling stress. Drastic oxidation. Okay, it's a test related question. P will give aromatic Q and produce effervescence on treating with the NaHCO3, the compound P and Q respectively. I got the answer. So tell me what will be the P and Q. P and Q. Yes, correct answer is actually 2. Yes, very good, Pradeep. Very nice. Very good, very good. 2 is the correct answer. Okay. Then we are moving to next question. I think you all are ready. Okay, come on, do it. So it is also question is from Faraday's law. Okay, Faraday's law related question. So what will be the correct answer, Ada? What will be the correct answer? So tell me your answer. Fourth one is the correct answer. Okay, so it's Faraday related question and it's direct question only. The functional group that can be identified through Talon dye test. Okay, Talon dye test, which functional group you can identify, Ada? Phenolic group. Okay, you can identify phenolic group. It's look like second one, phenolic group. So next question. the correct statement with the regards to secondary structure of DNA. Okay. DNA and RNAs. Okay, so tell me what will be the correct answer, Ada? So tell me what is the correct answer. You're saying first option, really. Correct statement of DNA and RNA. DNA possesses single strand. No. RNA possesses single strand and helix structure. No. Thymine 4 base. No. DNA double strand and helix structure containing thymine as one of the 4 base. Yes. See, very good, very good. You're right. So, yes. So, this question, okay. Identify the correct statement. Okay, here also you can see statement type of question. Okay, here also you can see statement type of question. So which statement is correct? The molarity of ethanoic acid of benzene is solution. Yes, if you calculate also, the correct answer will be option 2. Okay, option 2 is the correct answer. Then we are moving to next question. We are moving to next question. We are moving to mixture of chloroform and acetone form a solution with negative deviation from Rolle's law. Yeah, 77. So what is the correct answer? Yeah, it is 2 only. Yes, correct. 2 only. Very good. Then 77. What is the correct answer, Ada? 77. So tell me, da, what is the correct answer? Mixture of chloroform and acetone form a solution of negative deviation from Rolle's law. Due to why? Yes. 77 is actually one, because it's forming like hydrogen bond. Okay, it's because it's forming hydrogen bond. That's the reason. Yeah. Then we are moving to next question. 78. At 298 Kelvin, a certain buffer solution contain equal concentration of X minus and HX Kb for X minus is 10 raised to minus 10. What is the pH of? It's also very easy question. So tell me what is your answer? Yes. What is your answer? 78. For 78. Kb value. pH you should calculate. pH. So yes, correct answer is actually 4. Okay, 4 is the correct answer. Okay, 4 is the correct answer. So next question. Next question is here. Identify the incorrect statement from the following. Okay, IUPAC name of the element atomic. Okay, so which incorrect statement? You should find the incorrect statement. It's very, I don't know, not attended. Okay, it's okay, Pradeep. So tell me what is the answer of this question? Identify incorrect statement. It's very easy. Incorrect statement type of question, correct statement type of question, match the following question, and direct numericals you can see in like in chemistry. Okay. Element. Yes, this is correct only. Largest, smallest species among Mg2 plus respectively. The largest and smallest species. No, this is wrong. So, correct answer is Al and Mg2 plus. This is wrong. Okay, yes, very good. 79 is 2 only. Very good. Pradeep, yes, correct answer only. Then tell me the correct order of increasing metallic character. Okay, increasing metallic character. Metallic character means it should be electropositive. Okay, it should be electropositive. Na plus, Mg2 plus, BE plus, yes, correct answer is 1 only. Correct answer is 1 is the correct answer. Ada, 1 is the correct answer. Then we are moving to next question. The correct IUPAC name of the following compound. Oh, it's very easy. Another easy question. So tell me, what is the answer for this question? Yes, correct answer is 3 only. 3 ethyl. So we know that 3 ethyl, 5 methyl, 3 ethyl, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 methyl. So alphabetical order when you consider, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 ethyl heptane. Yes, correct. Another match the following question. So what is the shape? They are asking shape and geometry. Okay, it is also match the following type of question. So we know that. So it is actually, what is the correct answer? $82. Yes, already, ma'am. Very nice. So tell me, what is the answer for this question? A is equal to 4, B is equal to 1, A is equal to 3. Yes, correct answer is 4. Okay, you can confirm. Okay, first, if you check like A and B only, you can confirm the answer. If you check A only, you can confirm the answer. No, you can't. So B is actually 1. B is actually 1. Yes, octahedral only. Ah, yes, graph. It's very important. Graph. So graph based question is also they given. So tell me, what will be the correct answer? Prateep. For a reaction, R gives product the plot of this concentration, R concentration versus rate, concentration versus negative slope of Sean. Okay. Time and concentration here you can see. You should find the order of this reaction. Yeah, it is correct. It is zero order reaction only, minus slope. Next question. Which one of the following is an ambidendate ligand? Oh my god, ambidendate ligand. Which one is ambidendate ligand? Ada? Thiocyanate. Thiocyanate. Nitrogen, it can share, okay, nitrogen and oxygen, okay. Sulfur. Consider the following reaction here. Identify the correct option. Okay. It's a numerical type of question. Okay. 85. What is the correct answer of 85? Yeah, it is actually non-spontaneous. Okay. It's non-spontaneous. Yes. Then we can move to next question. Yes, formal charge question. It's very important. Okay. Formal charge question. So tell me the correct formal charge. So we can calculate, okay, this is first molecule, this is 2 and this is 3. So you should find the formal charge, okay, you should find the formal charge. So tell me, what is the correct answer? What is the correct answer? Actually, correct answer is 2. Okay, not 1, 2 is the correct answer. Okay, 81, 86, we reached 86. Okay. So given below a certain reaction, identify the reaction Kp not equal to Kc. Oh my god, we did the same question. Okay. Okay. So what is the correct answer? Here you can see 2. Here you can see not equal to Kc. Okay. Here 4. Yeah. Correct answer is this only. Given below is an expression for the rate of, okay, rate constant expression is given. First order occurring in the certain temperature Tk. Okay, ln is equal to 14.34 minus, okay, the energy activation in mole inverse reaction, okay. So tell me, what is the correct answer for this question? This is also numerical type of question. I know it is 4. So yes, this question, the following two reaction given below, given the same Foltzmann product Z. What is Z? What is Z? What is Z? It's Foltzmann. What is it? It is actually, it's react with the XLA. So X means it's actually, you will get, X is actually AgCN. Okay, AgCN. So it will replace a CN will come that side. So correct answer is actually 4. 4 is the correct answer. Okay. 4 is the correct answer. We are moving to last question, 90th question. So what is the 90th question answer? It is also match the following. Geometry, yes. Isomerism, okay. Isomerism, okay. Yes. Type of isomerism you should find. So what is the correct answer, Ada? What is the correct answer? So it is actually, yes, geometrical isomerism, and B is actually, it will show optical isomerism. A3, and it will show linkage isomerism. Yeah, the correct answer is actually option 3. Okay, option 3 is the correct answer. So I hope you got the answer. I hope it's clear. I know this time you don't need a solution and all. You just need the answer. So I hope it's clear. So I hope you enjoy this session. Thank you so much. I hope this question paper analysis helps you, and just go and calculate your mark and just identify your mark, okay, and that range is actually very important, and you can check the cutoff also. So there is chance to increase the cutoff this year, okay. So nice.